Hey, give me my money.
What money are you talking about?
I think you don't love life. Give me the money which you earned today.
But why?
Hey, disgusting man. What are you doing? Hey, who are you? I'm Superman. Super. Don't come in my case. If you come in my case, then I will kill you. You threatened me. Yes! Okay. I will not come in your case. Good. Please calm down.
Hey, what are you talking about? You are Superman. Please help me.
Hello, Rocky. Yes, Superman. I've been Superman for many years. I want to retire now.
But why?
What happened with you? I was defeated by a boy today.
Who is?
There was a boy named Varzoon.
Oh.
Don't worry, don't be sad. I have an idea. Now the time to change your look.
Wow, Varzoon, you have done a wonderful job.
It's my pleasure.
Now it's my turn.
Ready. Anyone here? Please help me. This old man is bothering me. Hey, old man, why are you bothering this boy? Hey, I am saving you and you are pushed me. I'm Varzoon. You cheater.
This man looking very powerful. Run!
Where's Thrico? Hey, where was you running?
Please forgive me.
I hope you've got a lesson now.
Most welcome to coming my second home.
What? Thanks, Superman. It's my duty, sir.